Okay. Yeah, hi, this is your teacher again, Haley Schur, and I'm here to basically give you the second video in our series of formatting your paper. And this tells you what you need to know about formatting the concept paper, which is a little bit different than the remembered event paper, just because it requires a works cited page. So this will refresh your memory about how to do MLA citation in general, but also the works cited page. Okay, so here we're looking at just a body of text. I mean, for example, for your intents and purposes, it is an essay. So again, just to refresh your memory, the first thing we'll do is click in this header space, this inch of space between the very top of the paper and the body paragraph. So you'll double click in there, and then you see your header. So in order to make your name and page number, we will go to page number, we'll go to top of page, and then we'll do plane number 3. Make sure that your cursor is before the number. If it's not, you want to place it there, but normally that's the default. Okay, so type in your name and then hit space for a space bar. Let's see. After that, remember that for Word 2007 and Word 2010, Calibri is the default text. So what you want to do is change it to Times New Roman, and then change it to 12-point font. Okay, and then double click in the regular text space in order to get out of the header, and we'll need to make, basically where you put your name. So okay, you click in that space and then you add some space before your text, exactly one return before the text, then write in your name, write in your teacher's name, my name, write in the course, which would be EG 103B for composition 1, and then put in the date, which it always goes day, month, year. So again, 21st October 2010. And you're only doing one return from my name, your name, okay, your name, and then the instructor name, course name, and date. And then you'll hit return once more, only once. Hit Control and E to center it, or you can just hit the center button and then put in the title of your essay. Okay, remember that you want to capitalize everything except for prepositions and articles. So a, an, and the, and of, about, after, against, along, amid, but, by, down, during, of, off, on. Prepositions, don't capitalize those. Okay, and hopefully you will pick a title that's more distinctive than title of your essay, just because that doesn't actually tell you much about the essay that you're being presented. Okay, so at this point, what we would do is hit Control and A, or highlight all of the text, and then right click in the body of the text, select paragraph, line spacing double, and don't add a space between paragraphs of the same style. This is a big deal for Word 2007, 2010. It's not a big deal for earlier editions of Word. Okay, and there you go. And for this we would stop right there for the remembered event. But since this is a concept essay, it requires a works cited page, which you'll remember from assignment 2. So in order to do the works cited page, get to the very end of your paper. You can either hit the end button, or you can just scroll down like I did, and then just keep hitting return until you get to the very next page, because you'll need a new page for the works cited. Works cited always comes on a new page, and it's only for works cited. So what you want to do is, I have some indentation issues. Okay, hit Control E or center, and then put works cited. It must be works cited. It can't be works cited. It can't be references. It can't be works consulted. That's something different. You want to just have the words works cited, not underlined, nothing done to it, just plain works cited. Okay, then you hit return. And you make sure it's left aligned again, either Control L or just hitting the button like I did. And then you need to fill it up with citations. I'm pulling some from the OWL at Purdue page, just because I need some quick citations. Let's see. OWL at Purdue is a great resource too. If you're ever looking for a particular type of citation, is really good. If you have a sort of unusual citation and you need help with it. That's a great resource. Okay, I'll pull this one. Then we'll be done. Okay, so when you do your works cited, really just don't worry about the indentation as you're writing it. Just get all your citations in. And then what you want to do is highlight all of it. And you can, here's one way of doing it anyway. Highlight all of it, right click, select paragraph. You want to make sure that line spacing is still double, and you don't want to add paragraph. You want to check this box so it doesn't add space. But what's really important is this special box, and you'll select hanging, and then you'll let the preset be 0.5. Then you hit OK. And there you go. I mean, all you have to do is change the font to make sure it's Times New Roman 12. But it gives you exactly the indentation that you want. You can also do this another way. Let's see. Oops. Okay, let's say I was back to where I was originally. Okay, you can also highlight all of it and mess with the ruler up here. The top triangle is the first line indent. The bottom is all other lines. So what you do is you would just pull it to the ½ inch mark, and then pull the top one back. So it, and that, you know, that's just another way of doing it if you prefer. It kind of gives you more control if you like. I like the other method just because I don't know. But anyway, that is your works cited page. Just make sure that it is in alphabetical order. That's the last thing to do. So again, we have this up here. Okay, yeah. And so make sure it's in alphabetical order, and then you're completely done with formatting the MLA way. Okay, thanks.